Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a deer. Take a pencil to draw a grid of 2 squares wide and 3 squares high. Draw a circle for the head and add the snout, the ears, the eye and the mouth. Draw 2 wavy lines for the antlers and add some curves. Draw the body and neck. Draw the legs. The 2 legs that are farther away should be drawn shorter than the legs that are closest to us. Draw the tail. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Add some fur to the chest. The bottom of the hooves can have a slight curve. Make the tail a bit furry. The eye has the shape of an almond. Add a curve inside the left ear. Give the antlers thickness by drawing around the sketch lines. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Now we can color our deer. Use brown to color the top side of the deer and its hooves. Use a light yellow to color the bottom side of the deer, a stripe and some spots on its body, the back of the legs, the inside of the ear, the antlers, and a spot around its eye. The rest we can color orange. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.